All right, this is just a quick video on how to do some maintenance on the MaxiClimber. Anyways, this is my favorite exercise equipment, but you are going to get roller damage eventually, especially if you get all crazy like me and use it for over 30 to 60 minutes at a time. The rollers get, I don't know, they get tired and they start to fall apart after a year or so. Highly recommend getting the extended warranty once your 1-year warranty goes out. MaxiClimber Classic, I still love it to death. And I am going to show you today how to replace the rollers. Let's get it so that we have one of the pedals in focus. Do a little check here. When you get your MaxiClimber, you're going to get this little tool here, which they give you for doing your wheel replacement. This is a pain in the neck. What I highly recommend doing is buying yourself a deep dish 13mm socket at the same time you get your MaxiClimber and a ratchet. Your MaxiClimber wheels will come just like this. What I'd recommend is keeping all the new ones in the box and all the old ones out of the box until you're done replacing them all. Another thing that you can do is not wait this long to call to get a replacement set of wheels. As soon as you start getting dust, eventually you're going to start getting chunks like these chunks down here that you could see it earlier on. We're set on, all right, now time, you can just loosen up and take off the 3 nuts on one side. And when you put them back together, you do everything in reverse, obviously. Except for getting that nut stuck down there. Oh, the other thing that you'll notice is I do not use a standard, one of those black equipment mats. For obvious reasons, you won't spot your dust. So just get yourself clear. And these come out fairly easily. Here's one of them. 2 of them. All right. We'll take all the bolts out. 1, 2, and 3. Come on, you. Would help if I was on the other side, but I'm not. 3 bad wheels. Keep these wheels because you never know. You might find a use for them, and also they are not bad. The bearings are still good, even though they wear out like that. It's too bad they're not more durable, but that's just part of life. The last one we took out was the one on the inside here. Wrestle that one into place. I think I've had my MaxiClimber now for about 3 years. No, not 3. Well over 2. And it's just like any other piece of gym equipment, in that you're going to have wear and tear on the thing. To me, replacing these wheels every year, it's cheaper than gym membership. And I just remembered something. Replace the outer wheel first. Come on, get up there. Can't see. It's always easier when you're not on camera doing these things. Here it comes. I just remembered it's nice to... Another thing that you might want to bring with you when you're doing this is a small metal pin, pinion or something, so that you can line up the holes better. Because what I'm going to be using is these rollers. All right, we're almost done with one side here. As you can see, it's not a very involved operation. Should have brought my screwdriver. Sorry about that. Let's go over and we'll do the other side first, and then maybe I'll switch sides and go over there. I also have a video on how to mount and dismount on this MaxiClimber, and that really does make a big difference doing it properly, because if you do it improperly, you're definitely going to have some issues. 1, 2, 3, and I did exactly what I said not to do, because I am on camera and I have mixed up the brand new with, I put these two, which are old, and I have my camera, my cat in the background, so she's cheering me on here. She's saying, "Come on, Daddy, get done." So I'm showing you how not to do things along with how to do things. 6 out, 3 to go in. Do the top ones first. Or however you can get them in there. Next one. Oh yeah, that's why I'm having trouble, because I'm not lining. Okay. Helps if you put it on the track. I don't have to do these very often. And like I said, the one closest to you is the easiest. Alright, now this one. Alright. Gonna have to wrestle this one a little bit. Last one is not cooperating with me. I just found out why. There's little plastic caps on the bottom of these. As a matter of fact, I've always been tempted to take them off, and I think I might in the future, on my next set of wheels. But that falls down and gets in your way while you're replacing the wheels. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. We got a clean, brand new wheel. Get her lined up better. Lined up there. It's always better to just relax and go with the flow rather than forcing it. So I haven't forced any of these. The other key thing is not to over tighten the nuts on these when you put them on. They have lock nuts. It's been a long day. This ratchet just paid for itself. I'll put a link down below. It's been a couple of years since I bought it. And you can see why you go with the deep socket. It just makes it so much easier. There it is. All on there. Not very tight. I didn't have to do anything with the top nuts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You just leave those alone. We have a new set of wheels. Let's try them out real quick. All right. Oh, nice and quiet. That's pretty much it. How to change the wheels. And I'm Bill Doobie. You have a great day, COVID safe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And you might check out this video over here. It's a little bit different, this one, because I wanted to get my wheels on so that I could use it tonight, so I kind of rushed the video. Sorry. You have a great day, and thanks for viewing.